last question?
Yes, go
I have
ahead.
a lot
Go
of
ahead.
overtime.
Yeah, no, go ahead. Last question. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So in Mishnah 7, that says the title of our Bible says, "Distance yourself from a bad neighbor. Do not associate with a wicked person, and do not despair of retribution." So in the part that says, "Do not associate with a wicked person," Rob says that any association with the wicked is considered detrimental, even if one does not learn to imitate their actions. The exposure itself causes a negative influence to rub up, much as one who enters the house of a tanner and absorbs the foul odor, he takes nothing from the house. This is very interesting, but my question is, does this definition of a wicked person also include like immoral and promiscuous people such as homosexuals?
Of course.
And like any type of wicked person in general?
Yes, wicked person according to the Torah. So an example that actually today is my Novi day. Wednesday is when we learn Novi. Baruch Hashem. So it was a story in it's a King's One of wicked King Achav, his wife Isabel. So and he wanted to go to fight Moab. No, not Moab. Aram. Apologies. He wanted to come Aram, and he actually, even though he lived and he ruled in a northern kingdom, he was in some kind of friendly relationship with a kingdom of Yehuda. And kingdom of Yehuda, Yehoshaphat, actually married the sister of this wicked Achav. So they're trying to make some alliance, right? And once, was it during the thresh or something? I think it was during the thresh, and somehow that's not from this week, but from previous weeks. And so Yehoshaphat came to Achav. So the Yehoshaphat was righteous king, righteous, son of Hashem. Achav was idol worshipper, bound to all of the idols. Whatever idols you say, he had it and he bowed. Right? So that's how, and he made sure that everybody bows. And his wife was not Jew, and she bowed to Asherah's tree. So, and she brought this 400 minimum of the priests, right, of that did all of the Avodah Zarah with this Asherah tree and other things. Right? So this wicked, and because of the sister, which is not good to marry such a woman, if you know what your brother is, right? So this Achav, not Achav, Yehoshaphat came to Achav, and they talk, and Achav said, "Yeah, let's go to war. Let's go to war to Aramean, and they take over our town. It used to be Jewish place. Now they took over. I don't remember, like captured. When was it? Doesn't matter. So this Yehoshaphat, the righteous person, associate himself with the wicked person and goes to war. Not a good idea. Not a good. So sages say very bad things about Yehoshaphat, and later on he was punished for all of this. For what? For association with that person. So when we associate ourselves with these people, so we give them credence. You understand? So other people say, no, he's a good guy. How is he's wicked? No, you say that he's wicked, but this rabbi, this king actually, he came over, he hugged him, he kissed him, he gave him gifts, and he also went to the work. They started some enterprise together. So this wicked person gave money. Guess what? And that's why these prayers never get accepted. Many prayers do not get accepted because these shuls were like these fancy schmancy shuls. They were sponsored by the not Shomer Shabbos people who intermarried. You understand? So there is no blessing in this association. So, but some people, no, he's a Jewish soul, such a diamond. Every Jewish soul is a diamond. Yeah, diamond, but work on this diamond. Make him Shomer Shabbos, then take money. You understand? But they take money, and continue to give these people compliments, the people stay wicked, and the money is dirty money, like made on Shabbos and through this from this wicked person. And guess what? There is a curse on this alliance. Huge buildings, nice, but there is no people. There is no people. There is no minyan. There is like when we used to travel a lot. Baruch Hashem. So sometimes I need the minyan. So I call this place. So on Shabbos, so on Shabbos was very nice. Havdalah, not too many people on Mincha Mariv. So I said, what time is tomorrow? Well, what time is Sunday? No, Sunday is. I said, what do you mean? Like 50 people on Shabbos? On Sunday is no. So they were not on that level. Yeah. You understand? So people on Shabbos they would come on other days not on that level. We have huge buildings. So what is the purpose? What is the purpose to have this building like for 1 million a week? Like for 1 day a week. That's it. You understand? So that's there is no blessing when you associate with these people. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi. So, rather than associating ourselves with this type of people, is it problematic like just hanging out with them, like someone that is I don't know, promiscuous, and someone that is, like I said, a homosexual, like not associating with them, but just hanging out with them? Is that problematic in regards to?
As you just said. So even if you go to tannery. So you have, you have your father working in there, right? So you brought him lunch. So you're not working in there. So you brought him lunch. What is it? 2 minutes. You're out, and you already smell with the smell. That's it. So that's association with these people. First of all, one issue, as we just said, you in other people's eyes, they associate with you. Maybe it's not that bad. Maybe it's not forbidden to be homosexual. Who said? It's you said. But this great rabbi, this tough rabbi, he was smiling, he's hugging him and stuff like that. Maybe not kiss, I hope not kiss, but even hug. You understand? So we try to stay away from this way. We're trying to help them. They're still our brothers, they're still our sisters. We're trying to help, but no association. We keep the distance. And that's the reason why we don't associate ourselves with different organizations of speakers. So, for example, our lectures, like on this channel, the different channels. So we had the opportunity, have connection, even from one of the students. So they say, if you want, I can talk to them. So they said administration, they can put your lectures there. But I look who else is there. Many people kosher, but some people very questionable. So I don't want to be on that platform because they like me, for example, my student, and they would associate that person because I'm there and he's there. So maybe he's also kosher. No, I don't want to kosher. You understand? So that's the thing.
Thank you very much, Rabbi. That was
You're
great.
welcome. Yeah. So we try to help them, but we keep the distance. And Yehoshaphat, he paid very great price for being nice, right? Okay, what else? Any other questions from anybody else, or we stop here? All right, no problem. So we stop here.